Are you also an event organizer? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate event ticket sales for festivals via WhatsApp. So as an event organizer, you got many queries from your users regarding the purchase of event tickets and the sales etc. Responding each and every user manually is a time consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to automate this entire process, in where we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will reply to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate event ticket sales for festivals via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of event organizer. Here I am sending a message as ticket. Here I sent. Immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that is, welcome to Sunset Vibes Festival, ready to get your tickets for an unforgettable experience, including two buttons, that is buy tickets and view schedule. Here I am going to buy a ticket. For that I am clicking on this buy ticket button. Then it will ask me to select the ticket type, including one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me three types of tickets, that is general admission, VIP access and group pack. Here I am going with this general admission. Then it will ask me to share my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as a test user. Then it will ask me to share the email address. So I am sharing one test email address, testuser@gmail.com. Then it will respond to me like this, that almost done. How many tickets would you like to book? So here I am sharing ticket quantities as 2. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that thank you test user, you have selected that general admission that I selected from the list of the ticket type, including the number of tickets that I provide as 2. Also providing me one message, that is please confirm your order by clicking the payment link button below, including two options, that is payment link and cancel. Here I am clicking on this payment link button. Then it will respond to me like this, that here's your payment link. Once we receive your payment, we'll connect with you shortly and share all the details of your ticket. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your ticket event sales for festivals, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the left hand side you can see two options are there, that is sign in and the sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on the sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So here you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to add a WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. For both of these steps, I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the name to your folder. Also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, then we have already created one separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. And now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Flow Builder, where you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate event ticket sales for festivals via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active and active button, and another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday, it is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I write as ticket. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword, festival. I added only two keywords here. You can add multiple. Now, whenever my user will send any of these keywords into my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bots gets triggered and reply to them. For that, I am taking one text button, drag this box here, where I am going to write my welcome message. Here I write, that is welcome to Sunset Vibes Festival, ready to get your tickets for an unforgettable experience. After that, now I want to add two quick buttons. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box, where I am going to write my first button as buy tickets, and the second button I'll write as view schedule. After that, now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to this welcome message. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now, whenever my users wants to buy a ticket of an event, then they will click on this buy tickets button. Then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the body. Please select the ticket type you would like to purchase. You can see I write this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will deliver to my user in the bold format. After that, I am not writing any footer, so I am leaving this blank. Now I want to add the types of the ticket. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as ticket type. After that, I want to add the types of ticket. For that, I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the first ticket in this enter title box. General admission. Now I am adding the price in this enter description box, that is 999. After that, now I want to add the two more tickets. For that, I am again clicking on this plus add items button. The process of adding tickets would be the same. I am adding only 3. You can add multiple. Here I added, that is VIP access and the group pack, including their prices. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of buy tickets to this message. Here it is connected. Now let's assume my user will select this general admission. Then my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I am setting one custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field. I drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as ticket type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is general admission. I write the general admission here because I set this specifically for this. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am going to explain you where you can create this contact custom field and why we use the contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving to the another tab, first you have to save your flow, because if you won't save your flow, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that always save your flow at first before moving anywhere. Now I'll show you where you can create this contact custom field. For that you have to go in the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. So here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to provide the name to your field. Also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of ticket type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. So here I selected the contact custom field. After that, now I want to set 2 more contact custom field node for both of these. For that I am again taking set custom field options. After that, now I am selecting the contact custom field as ticket type. Then in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is VIP access. One also, I am going to do the same. Here I set it. You can see I use the same contact custom field here, that is ticket type, but only change the value, because this contact custom field node will help my bot to provide the customized message to my user at the last based on their provided information. Now I am connecting this circle to this message and this circle to this. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the ticket type, then my bot will ask them to provide their full name. For that I am taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here, where I am going to write my question as, first may I have your full name please. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I'll select as text, number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can also increase this if you want to, and you can also write the validation message in this enter validation message box. So I'm not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their Gmail address. For that I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this box here, where I am going to write my message as, great, now please share your email address to proceed with the booking. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as email. After that the format I'll select as email. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I'm not writing any validation message. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now after this step, my bot will ask my user to provide the quantity of the ticket. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here. The process of adding questions would be the same. You can also make the changes in the bot, add more questions, and create your WhatsApp chatbot based on your preferences. Now here I am writing the question as, almost done, how many tickets would you like to book? For that I am selecting the contact custom field as quantity. After that the format I'll select as any. After that I am connecting this circle to this message, where it is connected. Now whenever all these steps were done, then my bot will reply to my user. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. You can also select this text plus button from in this messages option. After that now I am writing the respond message in this enter message box. Here I write that is thank you with dollar symbol full name. You can see I use the dollar symbol before full name, ticket and the quantity, because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As when they share their full name here, then it will automatically capture their full name and mention the full name in this place. Also mention the ticket type with the help of this contact custom field node that we have set it recently, and in this last it will set the quantity. I think now you will better understand why we use the contact custom field. Here at the end of this message I also write that please confirm your order by clicking the payment link button below. For that I am adding the button by the name of payment link. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box. Here I am going to add 2 buttons. Here I added, that is payment link and the cancel. After that whenever my user wants to proceed the confirmation, then they will click on this payment link button, then my bot will reply to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my respond message. where I am going to provide the payment link. Here I write the message, also one test payment link and one message, that is once we receive your payment, we'll connect with you shortly and share all the details of your ticket. Now for the another one, that is cancel button, then my bot will reply to my user. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I'm going to write my respond message. Your booking has been cancelled. After that, now the next one is the view schedule. If my user wants to view the schedule of the event, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, where I am going to write the event schedule. Here I added, now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate event ticket sales for festivals via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. You can also share this flow with your friends. So for sharing the flow, you have to go in this flows option, where you have to click on this 3 dots and go in this share flow option. See, it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box, you can check out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will reply to your users like this. Done the process of tickets booking. Also share your event schedules, ask them about their full name, email address, ticket quantity and provide them the customized message at the last. Also share the payment link. And the best part is this automated WhatsApp chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.